Having a daily cup of cacao has been part of my morning routine, and I'm very excited to be sharing with you this new recipe where I'm going to be mixing cacao with another superfood, maca powder. Cacao has so many stress relief benefits. It's very grounding and relaxing to the nervous system, and that's why I love taking it with me when I'm in nature, because it really helps me drop into that relaxation state. Cacao calms and soothes the nervous system and creates a sense of peace and calm. And of course, cacao is considered a medicinal plant because of its amazing health benefits. It's a nutritionally dense food. It's packed with antioxidants and magnesium, hence the relaxation effect that's beneficial to the nervous system and muscular system as well. My go-to source of cacao is the native heirloom strain that is stone ground, wild, and comes from organic farms in Peru, and that's why I chose the Cacao brand with K. I've used this cacao brand for so many years, and I do have a coupon code for you if you decide to try it out to get 10% off if it is your first time. The link is below the video. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of cacao for this recipe. That is about 20 grams. You can use between 20 grams to 40 grams of cacao, but I prefer to just use 20 grams of cacao. And I'm gonna also be using 1/4 teaspoon of maca powder, I'm gonna add some hot water, and it is completely optional, but you can also add 1 scoop of collagen protein. You're gonna mix everything well. Make sure to put everything in a hot water safe mixer. Blend everything to give you this really nice creamy cacao drink. I have shared my original cacao recipe before, which I will also link in this video as well.